come with me, I look for you.
Jesus Christ, control a thing then, no? You know if you can't ride if you come and fight.
Man, still a practice, you.
Yeah, practice if you get killed.
You, by the time we leave, I'm gonna be a pro upon this. Then me and you can ride in the night. You know, like one of them romance novels. Like Romeo and Juliet.
You're funny. More like Jack and Rose.
Ah, see, an even better one. Jack and Rose really did in love. Well, until she make him dead. Octavia, thanks for coming with me. I mean, usually boring when I just me one day here, but thanks for coming. Plus, me they kinda want to get away from the situation at your house, so that's why I'm asking for come. I know you don't really want to talk about it, but I wish you would open up more about it. I know what go on with you. I mean, in your head. But anyways, I got a surprise for you. We don't want to show you for a long time. Alright, ready? No?
Yo, what you do?
Oh, sorry, my mind kinda gone.
Anthony, what you want to show me? You really act weird right now? What is it? And why your face a turn red? Anthony, what is it? Show me what you show me now?
Alright. Sit here.
No, not for me. Listen, me not like it and with it. Alright? I will talk about this already. Me is just friend. So, me don't know why you do that for. But thanks anyways.
Uncle Andrew, food done? Yes, yo, me a dead hungry now. Thanks, Uncle. No problem. Anthony, you wash your hand? I guess that's a no. You have to wash your hand. You outside I touch up the horses then when I touch up everything else. You're not afraid of germs?
Man, why you not send him outside for go eat with the horse them? I didn't even teach him how to ride.
Well, I doubt him will learn to ride in 2 weeks. Alright, all I want is to overreact. Me know how to ride the horses them. Why do they always diss me up all the freaking time? Eh? Why? Uncle Andre is supposed to be on my side, make me look cool. I'm to you. You're crap my style.
What style?
Octavia, why you wanna try to ride the horses? Because she's afraid. She's afraid to go up on it. And it better she not go up on it, because she might fall off.
You like how you keep on a fall off?
Alright, you haven't right this up.
Shit. Shit, me forget I'm a freak.
Octavia, what happened? You feeling sick? What go on? Talk to me now, Octavia. Hello?
Leave me alone now. Me can't even come in the bathroom in a piece. You run behind me and ask me a bag of question.
Through me area panic, so me I wonder what go on with you. Everything alright in there?
I have my period. Alright? I'm gonna forget to bring pads. So, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess I have to use tissue.
Uncle Andrew, we can talk to you, please. Octavia, well, she not on a pod and she have her period. Alright, it's fine. May I go to the store and go get her some, okay? Relax. We soon come back. Morning, Uncle Daniel. Make sure you put all of them plate there in the dishwasher, you know. Remember to wash your hand in Anthony. Now if I tell you twice.
Thank you for buying me the pod them. I really appreciate.
That's alright. Remember, you know, I grew up with 3 big sisters, you know. So I know a thing or two. And next time, don't be afraid to ask me. We don't have no issue for buying them something there.
It's just that my mother should tell me you're not supposed to talk about these things with man.
Really? Well, that is some backwards thinking. So, anyways, we have some things to go do, alright? Breakfast up on the table.
Thank you, Andrew. You done already, Anthony? Boy, you can yam. Why you look for me so far like it done past and gone, alright? You're so weird. Like, can you act more mature? Like you never hear about period before.
Of course we know what that is.
Alright then, so can you...
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, Octavia.
Why you apologizing for?
So you can do my ear for me?
Alright, no problem.
Alright, I don't want you cane right. I want to look good for the girl move over here, man. Get me one nice girlfriend. Like how you don't want me. Uncle, you never strap down the house.
Hi, Andrew. Me da wonder, maybe you could teach me how to ride a horse? I'm not scared again. I'm gonna like to try it. Try something new.
Anthony, what you deal with? Oh, you know in the house, you not ready for dinner yet? Me not hungry. You not hungry? I joke thing this. Me just not hungry, alright? Why you being so nice to Octavia, eh? Like you like her or something? Really, Anthony? Really? Wait for ask me them something there. Well, me have to ask. Every time the man them like Octavia, them always do stuff for her. Man them? We are talk about youth. Why you want her or something? I mean, she really pretty, so that. Anthony, she want look a girl for me. Oh, you can't even ask me that. You know me stay already, me talk to young girl. And if you ease yourself, you would remember who you talk to. Well, stop being nice to her, no? Like, just stop, no man. Bill with it. You overdo the thing in the dog. Like, man, I try to impress her, and every minute you come with your, you know, your pretty hair and everything, and she don't even look upon me anymore, and more. I'm tired of this, you know, man. Like, she don't even want to talk to that. Like, she don't want to talk to me, I don't know what to do. Anthony, yo, easy, no man, I want to you. I'm not cry over her like that, you know what I mean? It's just, more while the big man, them in his scheme, them always a look her, so one day for the same thing with you. Look here, you. You don't have to worry about nothing with me, alright? I respect you. Uncle, not tell nobody about this, alright? I don't want them think like, you know, one thing I have to worry about me, no man. But I never do them something there, man. Look, I'm not in them look girl thing there. Them something the sick stomach. And I pray them way there. Man, man, them in scheme and I see them thing, alright? Them something that nasty to me. Alright, sorry, me bring that up. I say a word, alright?
Your uncle is so handsome. I mean, look how I live.
It must be that thing, but maybe me and you fuck up on a look a date.
Here we go again with the date thing. La la la. Me no want date you.
Alright.
Keep on talk the same thing, Anthony. Just Bill.
Alright, cool. But there's a restaurant close by where I want to take you to. And you can buy anything you want on the menu, alright? Just a little treat from me. So, just say the word, I'm gonna take you out.
You are gonna pay for everything for me? That would be nice. Oh shit, I forget. I have to go home tomorrow. I'm gonna finally enjoy myself. Boy, life. Yeah, use your head, so I guess today we're gonna go to pan that local dinner date. Boy, you're really sneaky with them something, Anthony. But it's nice. And thanks for inviting me. I really like this place. I'm gonna come back with you next time. And your uncle's really, really nice. Really rate him.
No problem, man. Where you think him get it from? Me, the man, learn off, you know. Remember, I'm the original galleys.
You mean the original idiot?
Give me more props now. Octavia. Give me more props, man. I want to you.
Alright, you're not the worst person in the world. And you're sweet sometimes.